What's up, guys? Bobby Bentley, the billionaire here. Back to talk to you today about successfulness, being successful. Listen, what does success mean? Success means that you get up every day, you go after your dreams, you go after the thing that you have in your heart, you go after your heart's desire. You don't worry about if you're gonna fall, you don't worry about if you're gonna stumble. You just get up and you go day after day after day and keep pushing. Listen, guys, it's called being successful, which means you are full of success. See, a lot of people have it backwards. They think that when they get the house or when they get the car and they're driving the Mercedes and they have $1 million or $2 million or $10 million in the bank, that they are successful. Guys, that is a byproduct of being successful. Successful means being full of success, meaning that I'm working on my dreams. I'm laughing, I'm living, I'm loving, I'm enjoying life, and I'm doing what I do, what's in my heart's desire. That's being successful. And listen, here's the thing, guys. What you're going to see is the result of being successful. I'll give you an example. When you look at the trees and you see the trees swaying from side to side, that is not the wind. That's the result or the byproduct of the wind. The wind is moving. The wind is doing what it's doing. You don't even see the wind when it's active. And it's the same thing with you. When the house comes, when the car comes, when the money comes, when the relationship comes, when all the applause and the accolades come, then that is a byproduct or the result of you being successful. Guys, it doesn't matter where you start, it's where you finish. Listen to me, guys. I filmed a video yesterday and some people said, you got a garbage can in your video. I don't care. Do you know why? Because I got tired of talking about it. I want to be about it, live it, go to the next level. So I decided, I came home, I said, back to the office, I said, Rollo, let's film. Let's put it on film. I'm ready. I'm going to just live my dreams. I don't care if I fall by the wayside. I don't care if I got a garbage can in the screenshot, because it's not where you start, guys. It's where you finish. Listen, guys, see this company right here? This is one of the biggest companies, the biggest brand name in the entire world. But here's this. I'm going to ask Rollo to put the screenshot up for you. I want you to look at this screenshot right here. Look at this right here. In the first year, they only sold 25 bottles. And it's even rumored that they sold 9 bottles a day. But guys, is that in comparison to what you see this brand is today? See, they started small, but they ended big. Guys, it's the same thing in your life today. Be successful. Wake up early. Chase after your dreams. Be diligent about it. Be like Michael Jordan, shooting 100, 1,000 free throws at 2, 3, 4, 5 in the morning when nobody see you out there doing it. And then when the lights come and the cameras come and the applause come and the plaques come, that's a result and the byproduct of you being successful. So don't worry about it, guys. The houses are going to come. The cars are going to come. The monies are going to come. You know why? Because you are successful. You are full of success. Tell that to yourself right now. I am full of success, and I will see the byproduct of being successful. Guys, Bobby Bentley, the billionaire here. I want you to grow and develop yourself. Be ready for the end product. And I will see you tomorrow.